A common refrain among cosmopolitan consumers is that coffee is better in Europe than the US. As someone who is undeniably familiar with this refrain, I was eager to sample some sips of the old world flavor. In particular, I wanted to partake of La Dolce Vita in Italy, and I would get my chance in Florence. After passing the Duomo and having a power lunch in a palace, we headed for the Piazza with the church where Galileo, Michelangelo, and Machiavelli are buried. But that's not the important part of this story. Our tour guide, who chided Italian youth for their paper cup coffee culture, recommended that we have cappuccino in the very country where it was created, and she recommended that we have it in a porcelain cup. While Italians normally wouldn't drink the beverage beyond the morning, she gave us permission, establishing herself as a firm but fair authority on the matter. She pointed out a terrace with some plants and recommended that we go to the shop right below. Dutifully following instructions, we headed into the shop, where we stepped into La Vita that was something other than dolce. Some brazen tourists had disregarded the staff and the establishment's rules for seating, resulting in a delay for us, the morally superior tourists, being acknowledged. With lingering tension swirling amid the confectionery aromas, the staff eventually took our humble order. A gelato for Stacy, and a cappuccino for your boy Riaz. With no remaining chairs, and noticeably little sympathy from the seated crowd, we stood steadfast, waiting for the moment to arrive. At last, it did. And what was the verdict? It was fine. The cappuccino was fine. But hey, this was just one place. I was happy to continue my Italian coffee adventure in Venice, on the island of Burano, a place so colorful that rainbows are happy to see it. And again, the coffee here was fine. In the end, it all made me appreciate the charmed life I've had with a history of delectable beverages that compared favorably. While the coffee I had in Florence and Venice didn't stand out above others, there is one place I keep coming back to in my mind as a superior coffee experience. It was in, of all places, our hotel restaurant in Barcelona. Both the latte and cortado were delightful. I'm looking forward to conducting further tests on this matter on future trips, but round one goes to Barcelona. Gaudi, you mad genius. Now back in the US, I can continue to enjoy American coffee on its own terms. So big. We end today's journey with a segment called Travel-Sized Tales, miniature stories for people on the go who want to enjoy literature, but not too much. Two philosophers were arguing about the best way to live one's life when a total babe walked by and made them both realize they were failures. See you next time.